Good day, viewers. Welcome again to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. Let's quickly provide solution to General Mathematics November-December 2024, Objective Question 5. Now you have to find the equation of a line which passes through the point with coordinates -1, 2, and has a gradient -3 on 4. So we've been given the point with coordinates -1, 2, and then the gradient as -3 on 4. Now recall that to find the equation of a line given a point and a gradient, you use this formula: y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. So we know our m. All that we need now is our x1 and then y1. So the x coordinate of the given point will be our x1, and then the y coordinate of the given point becomes our y1. So at this point we can just do our substitution. So we have y minus, we know y1 as 2, it's equal to, the gradient is given as -3 on 4, multiplying x minus x1 is -1, so minus 1, that becomes +1. So now there is a fraction here, so let's eliminate the fraction by multiplying each term by the LCM. Now we know the LCM here has 4, so we have to multiply each term by the LCM, and we know the LCM here as 4. So the first term multiplied by the LCM, the second term multiplied by the LCM, and the whole of this is the third term. So we also multiply it by the LCM. So what happens? We see that the 4 will cancel out. So let's simplify. 4 multiplied by y, that is 4y, minus 4 multiplied by 2, have -8. Then we have -3 multiplying the expression x plus 1. So we can expand. The brackets. So -3 multiplied by x, that is -3x. Then -3 multiplied by 1, have -3. So alphabetically we know that x comes before y, so let's begin with x. So let's transpose -3x to the left. Comes +3x plus 4y is equal to, we have -3 here. We equally transpose -8 to the right, becomes +8. So finally, we have the equation of the line to be 3x plus 4y is equal to -3 plus 8. That is +5. +5. So from the alternatives, what should be the right answer? So the right answer is option D. Thanks for watching.